In the spirit of Christmas, a good number of Blender add-on developers are doing some percentage off. And getting started, we will take a look at the folks at Polygonic. They've just announced MaterialiQ 5.0.1, and in the spirit of Christmas, they are doing a 25% off for this particular product. This product offers you ultra high quality materials that you can get from 2K all the way to 8K. And at this point, this is fully integrated into the Blender's asset browser and comes with over 370 adjustable materials across 12 categories. So if you're looking for material that you can use to bring that amazing scene to life and get the highest quality in terms of materials that are fully adjustable with lots of parameters that can get you from simple to extremely detailed finishing, then the MaterialiQ from the folks at Polygonic is definitely one that you should see. The folks at Physical Addon are also putting out the Physical Celestial Object and the Physical Starlight and Atmosphere for 25% off. Although the Physical Celestial Object initially had a 50% off discount, additionally, they're putting in a 25% off on this. And for anyone who wants to get this, you can actually get it with a coupon code Christmas22, and this is running till the 26th of December. So what I would do is I would reach out to the developers and see if there's going to be an extended time, and if there is one, I'm going to put that in the description alongside the coupon code as well. And for the Physical Starlight and Atmosphere, this is having a 25% off, which is also running till the 26th of December. The Physical Starlight and Atmosphere is one of the best atmospheric add-ons that you can get, especially for those who are looking for ways to fine-tune and bring their exterior environment to life. And if you're into hair, the folks at VFX Grace are currently doing a 30% off on their 3D hair brush version 4.1. There's a new density brush that has been added, there's a new weight layer that has also been added, and a couple more controls. Furthermore, if you're looking for presets, they do have some inbuilt presets that you can use and get started with making the hair. So instead of making this hair from ground up, you can now simply use the preset and build based off this. So for anyone who's looking at hair tools and you're looking for ways to actually get this for percentage off, then the folks at VFX Grace have you covered, as this is currently running from now till the 3rd of January 2023. And if you're into fracturing, destruction, and simulation, then you might want to check out the folks at RBD Lab, as they're currently doing a 25% off on the RBD Lab 1.3. This is a Christmas discount which is going on, and currently on their page they do not specify exactly how long, but there is a coupon code which you can try out. So the coupon code is RBD Santa, and you just need to enter that and get the 25% off. So if you're into fracture and you did miss out on any of the sales that happened previously and you would like to get this right now, then this right here is available. Yane is also putting out the Pro Align tools for 36% off. So if you're thinking about aligning, probably you're looking for an add-on that you can use to align several objects at the same time to a specific angle based off how you want them to be distributed in your scene, then the Pro Align tool from Yane is currently available and you might want to explore that. And some other tools which you can get for a percentage off right now includes the Urbaniac Building Generator, which you can get for 50% off, and you can also check out the real-time materials for Blender from Ducky 3D. This is having a 25% off with a coupon code which I'm going to link in the description. And for those who like to take a look at more procedural materials, then the Santos library is also available, and this is running for 25% sale as well. So you can also use the coupon code which I'm going to put link in the description to grab this for yourself. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and from askNK to every one of you guys, Merry Christmas and have a wonderful New Year ahead.